YouTube people love this. You made what people watch. So the way that's running, this doesn't.
Is that a wipe?
Yeah. It's a wipe. Can you run some just run a tap for me and then do the toilets again for me?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Because the way that's running, I'll need to check. Have a look.
Because where the problem we've seen is coming this way. I mean, that's obviously coming from the upstairs one, I guess. Because it's going down there.
Yeah. But wipes in there as well. To be honest with you, the outlet isn't brilliant because the way that comes out there is hitting there. So there's no. It should be curved round that way.
Not what we can do about that.
Not well. It's going to be It's not brilliant at all.
I mean, we've been here a long time. Generally, we get it jetted once a year.
Right. Okay.
And then we tend to be okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so if I run, I'll do the upstairs one, which is coming to there, and the downstairs one will come across there.
That's it. Yeah, just flush them both. I want to check where this is going because the way that was going round there, I can't see it going over there. You never can tell, but just gonna have a look.
Yeah.
I cleared this one already. I thought it should have been done. Customer's done a bit of work for before. Oh no, yeah, there it is there. Yeah, it's come across. See that there? Yeah. That one just come off. Sorry, I wasn't going to film this, but decided to when I see the snake. Now I was going to check the outside. Yeah, it's, the
I mean, the upstairs one's always there. We haven't noticed it because
I mean that because that's literally just hitting the side there, and that's why that's backed up. This is running through.
I reckon there might be because there's a bit of a bend here as well.
Right, okay, that's right. Let's get this one lifted and. Sometimes the way that runs there, I mean, it's just strange the way that's been done there.
Yeah.
But it is coming out there, so. I wasn't going to film it, but it's too good not to. There you go again. Wet wipes, you can see them. Yeah, you can see them a mile off. Squishy coming out.